Hey, welcome back, y'all. Today we're talking about when's the best time to prune those blackberries. Yep, there's actually two times you want to prune your blackberries because there are two types of canes. One, basically it's a first year cane and a second year cane. First year cane is called a primo and your second year cane is a floricane. Obviously by the name it indicates it flowers. That's where your fruit comes from. So when that fruit is done, you can prune immediately if you want, or you can wait till the fall, but you want to prune those floricanes down to the ground, okay? If they didn't produce fruit that year, that's your primocane. You want to leave them alone because that's where your fruit's coming from the next year, right? So after the fruiting canes have stopped, you prune it. Doesn't have to be done immediately. You can wait till fall if you want. But then again in the spring, what you want to do is go in and prune the tips, okay, of what's now the floricane. That second year cane is going to produce your fruit. This thing here, it's back over in that corner, that is a, let's see, that one's a Navajo blackberry, thornless, semi-erect. Can get 6-foot canes. There's one laying there that's actually more like about 8 foot. So what I could do is tip that, cut the tip of it. And what that will do, like say you got a lateral running, you cut the tip and it will force more branches to come up, okay? If it's an erect blackberry like that, you cut the tip and it'll make it bushier, which will then produce more berries for you during the season. So, in the spring, your floricanes, the ones that will produce the fruit, you tip them. And then in the fall, once they're done producing fruit, you cut them back to the ground. In the meantime, primocanes are going to come up mostly from the crown. Sometimes they'll come up like 3 foot away from the crown. Leave those alone. Do not cut the primocanes in the fall. If you do, you're not going to have any fruit the next year. It's that simple. Yeah. Well, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and drop your comments down below, ask questions, or share how you do it. And happy gardening, y'all. Peace.